That sizzling sound you're hearing is the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker. This is an 8.5 core multi-cooker that has 8-in-1 functions, but it is also going to be able to replace 14 total cooking tools and appliances inside of your kitchen. It's a slow cooker, a steam oven, a food warmer, a nonstick pot, a saute pan, a skillet, a saucer, a stock pot, a Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and utensil. And this is everything you get inside of the box. They even give you a cooking guide so you know exactly how to use it. I find that the saute and the slow cooking functions are my favorite, but others might have different recipes that they want to try out on their foodie. Even better is that its 8.5 quart cooking capacity allows you to make a lot of food, but also meal plan because maybe it's just for you or for a small family. Well, you can create up to like 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs. You can create, in my case, I did about 5 pounds of potatoes inside of here, as well as 9 onions. And it's because you have that removable cooking pot oven. The secret here is that it's easy to clean. Once you're done cooking, all you need to do is pick up that pot that's safe up to 500 degrees and just wash it separately. So that means total maintenance on your Ninja is low relative to other slow cookers. The dial lets you control the functions that you want to use, like slow cook, sear, saute, steam, keep warm, sous vide, braise, bake, and proof, as well as allow you to control time and temperature. Everything is easy to see and everything is easy to change. You can adjust it on the fly. Remember, not every single mode is going to allow you to go to the max 24-hour cooking time capacity, and not every setting is going to let you adjust the temperature, because each setting is specifically made for different purposes. It comes with triple fusion heat technology that cooks food 30% faster than conventional ovens, and that's because you have bottom heat, side heat, and steam heat. Now, one thing is that we're going to make our potatoes, and this is all the ingredients you need to make our slow cooked potatoes, but we're going to saute them at the end to make them extra crispy. So I have some oregano, Italian seasoning, some garlic, and olive oil to use with my potatoes. So next step is that we're going to be cutting our potatoes in halves. Mix everything together and put it inside the bowl, and you're ready to get started because we're going to be cooking this on slow. There's even a holder for your utensil. Now, on slow, we just put it on the higher setting, and 1 hour later, you're going to open the lid to stir. And you can see the potatoes already starting to get softer, but also retain and absorb a lot of that aromatic flavor from your Italian seasoning. It's going to be getting crispier and crispier. Now we just got to wait. 3 hours later, you put the dial on saute for a crispy sin because the potatoes should be all fully cooked. If you want them to go longer because you're using bigger potatoes, you can go 4 or 5 hours. The secret of any slow cooker is that you just let the machine do its work and you go do your thing separately. Finished, scoop to your plate, and then you can find how easy the cleanup is for that removable bowl. And voila, the potatoes came out looking fantastic. We're just going to garnish with some fresh parsley and then have a taste test because I'm so curious how well it has cooked these potatoes. And I cooked a lot, so for myself, this is enough potatoes that I could store after I finish some in terms of a meal and then keep it for about 3 to 5 days in a airtight container in my refrigerator, perfect for meal prepping and also a perfect way to save some money. It's good, and you'll hear my wife teasing me because I'm telling you how good it is.
I'm really impressed with what the Ninja was capable of doing. Not only are they fully cooked, they're crispy, but they're still a little bit firm. So they taste so culinary in your mouth. Whoa.
Next up, I'm going to make some slow cooked onions. These are probably the best sweet onions you'll ever have. This is 6 sweet onions with a stick of butter and some Himalayan table salt. We just add it in, we're going to mix it up, and then we put the slow cooker on slow. And after about 3 hours, this is what it's going to look like. And after about 5 hours, you can see how much the caramelization has come across. This is exactly how they make it in a lot of different restaurants. And you can get restaurant quality food just by utilizing your slow cooker. We're going to let the liquid reduce and we're finished. And this is why I really recommend the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker. It saves you time, it saves you effort, it does a great job, it's easy to use, and it's easy to clean. Again, it is easy to clean, which is the biggest difference I find between this and any other Instapot or any other slow cooker that I've ever tried. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you next time. This is David with the French Close signing off. Bye, bye, bye.